Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. This set of building material multiple choice questions focuses on introduction bricks. In what form should lime be present in the brick earth? A. Paste. B. Lump. C. Clinker. D. Powder. Answer is option D. Lime should be present in the brick earth in the form of very finely powdered state so as to prevent the flaking of bricks. Excess of oxides of iron makes the brick A. Red in color, B. Black in color, C. Dark blue in color, D. Yellow in color. Answer is option C. Iron oxide imparts the red color to the brick. Presence of magnesia makes brick yellowish and manganese makes it black. Excess of oxides of iron makes the brick dark blue on burning. How many constituents are there on the brick earth? A5, B4, C6, D8. Answer is option A. For good brick earth, five major constituents are needed. They are alumina, silica, lime, oxides of iron and magnesia. Which one of the below is the most important ingredient in the brick earth? A. Alumina, B. Lime, C. Silica, D. Magnesia. Answer is option C. Amount of silica present in brick earth is 50 to 60% and it prevents cracking and wrapping of raw bricks. What is the harmful effect of the presence of alkali in brick earth on bricks? A. Discolorizes bricks. B. Efflorescence. C. Porous bricks. D. Flaking. Answer is option B. Alkali exists in the form of soda and potash. Alkalis absorb moisture and with the passage of time it gets evaporated, leaving white powdery deposits called efflorescence. Why do bricks become brittle when excess silica is present? A. Pores are created. B. Flaking occurs. C. Thermal stability is lost. D. Cohesion is lost. Answer is option D. Silica is present in either free or combined form. It is usually present as sand, which is cohesionless in nature. So excess of silica could lead to loss of cohesion between particles and this makes the brick brittle. Which one of the below is the first step in the preparation of brick earth process? A. Digging. B. Site selection. C. Cleaning. D. Unsoiling. Answer is option D. Site selection is the step in the manufacturing of brick process. The first step in order for preparation for brick earth is unsoiling. It involves scraping off top layer about 150 to 250 millimeter deep. Why is the process of weathering performed? A. To remove organic matter. B. To prepare for next process. C. To improve plasticity. To dry clay. Answer is option C. Weathering is a process of softening dugout clay by adding little water and then exposing it to the atmosphere. Then it is heated and left for few months, weeks to undergo weathering. The process of kneading brick earth is called A. Pugging. B. Blending. C. Ramming. D. Tamping. Answer is option A. Pugging or tempering is done by adding water to brick earth and kneading until a homogeneous mass and required plasticity is attained. How many types of the brick earth are there? A. 3, B. 5, C. 2, D. 6. Answer is option A. The three types are loamy, mild, or sandy clay, marls, chalky or calcareous clay, and plastic, strong or pure clay. Loamy, mild, or sand clay has dash percentage of alkali. A 5%, B 1%, C 4%, D 0%. Answer is option D. It does not contain any alkali contents. It contains 5% of organic matter, 1% of lime, magnesia, and oxides of iron, 66% of silica, and 27% of alumina. Which one of the following is not part of pug mill? A. Vertical shaft, B. Hub, C. Cutting blades, D. Timber base. Answer is option B. Hub is a part of Kaplan turbine. Pub mill is where pugging is carried out. It consists of a conical iron tube, cutting blades, vertical shaft, horizontal arm, long wooden arm, and timber base. Which of the following is not a chemical change that takes place in the brick earth during burning? A. Dehydration, B. Vitrification, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction. Answer is option D. During burning, no reaction takes place. Dehydration expels most of the water. Oxidation results in the elimination of carbon and sulfur as oxides. Vitrification is extreme reaction occurs when heating above 900 degrees centigrade. The depression provided in the face of a brick during its manufacturing is called A. Frog, B. Furrow, C. Groove, D. Scallop. Answer is option A. Frog is the depression provided in the face of the brick. It forms a key of mortar, reduces the weight of the brick, provides the place for companies to put their trademark. How many methods of molding brick earth are required? A. 3, B. There 5, C2, D4. Answer is option C. There are two methods of carrying out molding of brick earth. There are hand modeling and machine molding. Thank you for watching the video.